Hello student, good morning. Now class 11 student in our today English lecture. This is our English book, Hornbill book. We have to complete the last conclusion part. We have started this chapter. The name of the chapter is the Alien Planet, the Green Moment's Role. What's the alien planet? Alien planet is our Earth. It is an article written by Nani Palkiwala. This article is written to give the awareness to the world of green revolution. This green revolution has been started in New Zealand. So let us start. One cannot recall any moment in world history which has gripped the imagination of an entire human race so completely and so rapidly as a green movement which started nearly 25 years ago. In 1972 it has been started and the foundation was New Zealand. Country is New Zealand. We have shifted one hopes irrecoverably from the mechanism view to holistic and ecological new. What he has given, the author has described that this ecological system for a new generation will be very disastrous. We are using natural resources, we are using the trees, plants, but human are population increasing and the green revolution consists of this environment. This environment consists of this whole world. We have to compare with plants. Our ecological system is disturbed. We are facing the problems, disaster, drought. So how this can be solved? He is given the information to the world new generation to be able to do the work properly. Now see, Article 48A of the Constitution of India provide that the state shall endeavour to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the forest and wildlife. See, Article 48 says we have to save the wildlife and protect the trees. We should grow more and more trees. We should stop cutting down of trees. We have to pure the environment. The human population is increasing day by day. So this all cause disaster. How disaster? After some time our natural resources is limited. So we are not able to use it. Why? Because it will destroy, it will lose all over the time by time. So we have to use the proper guidance, proper awareness and use the resources in a better way for our new coming generations. So this poet, this author is given very good. It is an article. We can say it is an article for improving the, giving the awareness to the world. Last stanza. Industry has a most crucial role to play in a new era of responsibility with a transformation would be effect if more businessmen shared the view of a chairman of DuPont, Mr. Edgar S. Woodall. 5 years ago declared himself the company's chief environment officer. He said our continued existence as a leading manufacturer required that the excel is environment performance. See this last paragraph, student. Now what is given? There are many commission has been formed in which they are giving the advice we have to protect our environment. So there are various campaigning happening. So we have to give support to government, giving support to improving the plants and save the wildlife. Okay student, so this is a total conclusion summary. Now in tomorrow we are going to see the question answer. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.